Learn basic syntax and data types. Learn the fundamental syntax and data types of Go, such as variables, constants, arrays, slices, maps, and pointers. Control flow. Understand how to use control statements such as if-else, switch case, for loops, and range statements. Functions. Write functions in Go, learn about function signatures, return types, and multiple return values. Packages. Learn how Go manages code with packages, import packages, and create your own custom packages. Error handling. Learn how to handle errors in Go with the built-in error type and error functions. Concurrency. Go is designed to handle concurrency effectively. Learn about Go routines, channels, and mutex locks. Interfaces and polymorphism. Understand how Go implements interfaces and polymorphism and how they are used in Go libraries and packages. JSON and XML handling. Learn how to work with JSON and XML files using Go's built-in marshal and unmarshal functions. Web development. Learn how to create a web server using Go's built-in HTTP package. Testing. Learn how to write tests in Go and use tools like GoTest to run tests. Learn about test coverage and how to use it to ensure code quality.